A high-quality pickleball paddles set is perfect for beginners and experienced players alike, offering excellent control, power, and comfort on the court. With durable paddle surfaces, ergonomic grips, and included balls or accessories, these sets provide everything you need to start playing or upgrade your game with confidence. Starting at number 1. VINSGUIR Pickleball Paddles Set of 2. The VINSGUIR Pickleball Paddles Set of 2 is a lightweight and beginner-friendly pickleball kit designed for comfort, control, and enjoyable gameplay. Featuring durable fiberglass paddles weighing just 7.23 ounces, this set offers a balanced mix of power and precision, making it ideal for casual players and women players. The complete bundle includes 2 pickleball paddles, 4 balls, and a portable carrying bag, providing everything needed to start playing right away. With ergonomic, non-slip grips and a stylish design, this pickleball paddle set is perfect for practice, recreational matches, or as a thoughtful gift. Number 2. Pickleball Paddles Set. The USAPA Pickleball Paddles Set is a complete, USAPA-approved pickleball kit designed to elevate your game whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player. Featuring 2 lightweight fiberglass surface paddles with a polypropylene honeycomb core, this set delivers a great balance of power, control, and reduced vibration for consistent, precise shots. The wide paddle area increases sweet spots for better play, while the comfortable perforated, sweat-absorbent grips help reduce fatigue during long matches. Weighing just 7.8 ounces with durable edge guard protection, the paddles are easy to maneuver and built to last. This value-packed set also includes 4 pickleball balls, 2 cooling towels, and a durable carrying bag, making it an ideal choice for family games, friendly competition, or as a thoughtful gift for players of all skill levels. Number 3. Pickleball Paddles Set of 2, Graphite. The Pickleball Paddles Set of 2, Graphite, thermoformed 1 mold, is a lightweight, USAPA-approved pickleball kit engineered for enhanced spin, control, and durability. Featuring a thermoformed graphite surface with a semi-textured finish, these paddles help generate extra grit and improved ball spin while offering quick reaction times on the court. The ergonomic non-slip grip with a 4.25-inch circumference ensures comfortable handling and better control during rallies, while the reinforced edge guard adds strength and longevity. This complete set includes 2 paddles, 4 outdoor pickleballs, and a convenient carry bag, making it a great choice for beginners and recreational players seeking performance and portability. Number 4. Lightweight Pickleball Paddles. This lightweight pickleball paddles set is a complete, USAPA-approved kit that's perfect for players of all skill levels, from beginners to recreational and competitive players. The paddles feature a fiberglass surface paired with a lightweight polypropylene honeycomb core, providing an ideal balance of power, control, and reduced vibration for smoother shots on the court. Designed for comfort and performance, the paddles are easy to maneuver and help improve responsiveness during play. This set includes 2 pickleball rackets, 4 outdoor balls, 2 cooling towels, and a convenient carry bag, giving you everything needed for fun games with friends, family, or at tournaments. Number 5. Pickleball Paddles Set of 2 or 4. The Panelsum Pickleball Paddles Set is a versatile and complete pickleball kit that's officially USAPA-approved for tournament play, giving you confidence in quality and performance on both casual courts and competitive matches. Crafted with a strong fiberglass face and polypropylene honeycomb core, these paddles are built to be lightweight yet durable, helping players maintain control and responsiveness during play. The ergonomic 4.8-inch non-slip, sweat-absorbent grip ensures a comfortable hold, while the included accessories, 4 outdoor pickleballs, a carrying case, and cooling towels, add excellent value and convenience for games with friends or family. This set is suitable for beginners, intermediate players, and even more serious enthusiasts, making it a great all-around choice for anyone stepping into the sport.